Hello friends, let us see how we can solve this question. X squared minus y squared is 1452. Find x minus y. So if you look at this part of the question, this is what we call difference of two squares. So we can actually split this to be x minus y into x plus y equals 1452. So if you look at this, we now have the product of two numbers is equal to this number. So our work here is to split this number into two numbers whose product will give us 1452. So how do we get two numbers whose product will give us this? We continue to do trial and error. It will take us a lot of time. So what we're going to do is to find the factors of 1452. Of course, 11 can divide this. 11 into 14 will give us 1. Remember, 3 into 35 will give us 3. Remember, 2 into 22 will give us 2. How do I know 11 can divide this? Now, if you have 4 digits, and the difference between the first two is the same as the difference between the last two, that number is divisible by 11. 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 minus 2 is also 3. That means it is divisible by 11. Once you get the same number, it is divisible by 11. And that same number you got will become the middle number, while the first and the last number becomes the first and the last as the result when divided by 11. So what do I mean? This is divisible by 11 because 4 minus 1 is 3 and 5 minus 2 is also 3. And when you divide it by 11, it becomes a 3-digit number, of which the first digit is the first digit of that 4-digit number. The last digit of the 3 digits is also the last digit of the 4 digits. But the third middle digit of the 3 digits will now be that common number you got when you subtract 11. But that's all we're doing here. So 11 divided again will give us 12. 12 will give us 1. So these are the three numbers, factors of 1452. So two numbers that will give us, if you multiply these three things, you get 1452. So two factors that will give us this is either multiply these two and leave this one. Probably say 12 times 11 times 11 is 121. Or you multiply these two and leave this one. That is 11 times, this time this will give us 132. Or you multiply the three of them to give us 1452 times 1. So these are the three possible two numbers we can get whose products will give us 1452. So we can pick anyone. If that is the case, x minus y multiplied by x plus y is equal to, if we pick the first one, 12 times 121. If it is the second time, 11 times 132. If it is the third one, 1 times 1452. So of course, the sum of a number is going to be greater than the difference between the same numbers. So if the sum is greater than the difference, then the sum goes with the higher number, while the difference goes with the smaller number. It means that x minus y is 12, x minus y, when x plus y is 121. X minus y is 11, when x plus y is 132. X minus y is 1 when x plus y is 1452. See you in the next class.